Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this first generation, first year Camaro. This is a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Rally Sport, as you can see there in the front grille. This car has gone through a highly detailed restoration. It is beautiful from inside to outside to underneath, all the little crevices, the jams, the trunk. Just a beautiful, beautiful, high quality restoration right here in front of us, guys. Just look at the body lines, the paint. This is miles deep. The paint is really, really shiny. All the chrome and trim are all brand new on the car. No bubbles, no rust at all, guys. Upgraded with the American Racing polished wheels there. As you can see, great stance. Everything on this car is brand new, gentlemen, okay? From the lenses to the bumpers to all the little bushings on the car, this is a restored vehicle. I'm gonna pop the hood. I want you guys to see what's underneath there real quick. Let's check it out. .327, 325 horse, just a beautiful driving machine, very reliable, great for long touring. This car has its 327 motor from GM. It's not a numbers matching motor. We did check the numbers, okay? You got power disc brakes in the front with new booster, master cylinder. You got new power steering, new A-arms in the front with all the bushings. You got an upgraded aluminum radiator here, guys. Factory air conditioning that blows cold and has been converted, as you can see. Okay, everything's painted the correct colors, the argent on the hinges and on the latch there. Okay. What do you guys think so far? Vinyl top, excellent. Gorgeous, right? The lights in the front do function. They are electric. They have been upgraded already. All the bumpers are brand new on this little Camaro. Beautiful crystal clear gauges. You got tilt wheel. All new knobs are all brand new. All the vents, beautiful. Nice pillars, beautiful inside dash. Triple gauge package looks great there. So we're gonna go for a test drive on this little Camaro here, but this is some of our other vehicles available that you guys can check out at mgmclassiccars.com. This is only one of the two buildings that we have. All right, folks, we're back. Phone's all mounted on this beautiful day here in Addison, Illinois. This is where our dealership is located at 1 50 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. I love this car. The quality is really high-end. The paint job is a mirror finish. I've been in restorations for 26 years, guys. This is a top shelf restoration. Every bolt has been done on this car that I've seen. Don't hold me 100% to it, but this is a very, very nice restoration. Love this steering wheel on the car, guys. Love the tilt wheel. Gauges are all factory. They look real nice on the car. Super smooth. Clutch feels nice and soft, no problems. The Hurst shifter feels great in the right hand. With the knob ball, just really, really nice, really easy to work with. Goes into reverse very easily as well. Sounds good too. Every red light here now. Ah, jeez. Well, a little bit about the dealership. We are located, as you know, in Addison, Illinois. We're about 20 minutes from the Chicago O'Hare Airport, and we are 45 minutes from Midway Airport. We do welcome you guys to come over on a nice day. We can take this thing for a test drive together, not a problem. Most of my customers, I would say 95% of them, require my video that I'm doing now, and busy. Everyone's busy, so if you need delivery, we can deliver right to your driveway too, guys. Getting back to the Camaro, this thing does not pull left, does not pull right, just really easy to drive. Nothing squeaks in this car, guys. It goes down the road, nice and straight. I love when people know how to restore a car, and this is it. Just it's such a pleasure to drive. Everything functions. Beautiful. Love this thing, man. Black on black. It honestly drives like a brand new car. Not because I own it, but because it is. That's how it drives. Beautiful. If financing is needed, it's not a problem. We have great relations with our lenders. If your credit score is about a 640 to a 780, I would say you will need 10% down. So you will need about $7,000 down. 10%. Now you can roll in your state sales tax, you can roll in your delivery charges if needed into your loan amounts. That's not a problem. Low payments, long terms. If you want to pay off the loan early or refi a year later, maybe your money's tied up in an investment, that's fine. There is no prepayment penalty. Keep that in mind. Delivery, no problem. We are licensed, insured, and bonded. You are fully insured until you get the car to your driveway. Then you would have to, your insurance would definitely kick in. Okay? a pen handy, I'm going to give you my phone number. At this point, if you guys are serious about the car, you can go to my website and fill out the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. If your credit score is over 780, then you go to lightstream.com and fill out the application there. That's a no money down option. Yep, no money down option on a 67 Camaro, guys. Rates start at about 7%. Yep, I said it. Terms also can go up to 180 months to keep that payment super low, guys. This was an awesome test drive. I might drive this car home tonight. This is beautiful. A lot of fun with the 4-speed. A lot of fun. So don't forget to check out the website, mgmclassiccars.com. We have over 200 hand-selected vehicles, guys, and we have over 500 5-star Google reviews with happy customers, and we're 100% feedback on eBay sales as well. So you're buying with confidence, so keep that in mind, okay? You pay for quality as well and service. My name is Thomas, guys, and I do these videos for you guys as if you're in the car with me. I want to make sure that you feel everything the best you can, being in your family room there watching my video. And if you need insurance purposes for your classics, you know, you can go to your local guy there, State Farm, all states. As long as you have another vehicle with them, a primary vehicle, most likely they'll take your classic car. If not, you got Haggerty and Grundy as well that can give you a quote. So keep that in mind. We're headed back to mgmclassiccars.com here in Addison, Illinois. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do want to thank you for spending your valuable time with me. And I hope you guys choose the right car for you and your family and yourself. Don't forget to check me out at mgmclassiccars.com. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.